everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on this tutorial I'm going to show you all the right steps how to create curls, wavy hair from a nice straight hair. As you can see, I already washed my hair and I'm ready to go. So before we're gonna start this whole process, I'm gonna show you what exactly you need to achieve this amazing wavy look. So first of all, you need a hairbrush and a comb. Second of all, you need a couple of hair clips. There we are. And very important, you gotta use a sea salt texturing spray. This will help you quite a lot to achieve that wavy beachy look. And also rubber bands. I'm gonna show you now which one I'm using. There we are, rubber bands. First step, what you're going to do, you're going to brush your hair all the way from the front to the back. Here we are. Nice and smooth. Once you done that, you're going to separate the hair. So we start from the middle here and you go all the way to the back and you're going to separate the hair. There we are. Just go with it, don't be scared. Oh, I look like Nick from Backstreet Boys, just brunette version. Woo! Now, very important. I forgot to mention that I already spray my hair with a sea salt texturing spray, but I'm going to spray a little bit more. And now we're gonna start from the back to the front, or actually it's not really a rule, you can start from the front to the back as well. You grab small portion of hair, just like this. We'll show you now. Let's use the comb, it's easier. There we go. Okay, so small portion of hair, as you can see. You grab a rubber band, you twist the hair around, just as I do, just like that, and you twist it all the way to the scalp, and then you grab the rubber band and you put it around it. Just like that. As you can see, it's already stuck in there. Cool. So you're gonna do this procedure all the way from the back to the front, and then I'm gonna tell you what's the next step. This one just came out. Make sure you're gonna twist it really tight, so you're not gonna have the issue of coming back up. It's not gonna be easy, but hey, if you want curly hair, you gotta do this procedure. There it is, back there. Alright, so now as it's all done, as you can see, all the rubber bands are in, and I'm going to use the hairdryer with the heat on. I'm going to dry slowly. Once it's all dry, I'm going to take all the rubber bands off and your hair is going to be nice and wavy. Let's go. We're finished now the whole drying process. As you see, it's nice and dry. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take one by one off. Let me just try to come a little bit closer to show you. Start from here. It's not going to be that easy to take them off. And it's still going to be a little bit wet, but then you're going to try to dry a little bit more at the end. Now you're gonna move your fingers to your hair. Like make it a little bit messy. As you can see, the curls are starting to come out. Nice and easy. Nice and wavy, the way we wanted to achieve from the beginning. If it's still wet, you can still use a little bit of hair dryer. So it's all nice and dry and we achieved the right curls we needed. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and also please mention in a comment what would you like to see next on my YouTube channel. Anything from tutorial, vlogs, fitness, fashion, please write in there and I'm trying my best to respond to you. Have a good day.